Strings. Strings are the collection of Unicode characters. We have assigned this particular value to S and we are printing S. While assigning the value, we have to place the value of the string in between double quotes or single quote or three times single quote, like single quote, single quote, single quote, and three single quotes. Otherwise, three times double quotes. See here, we have used 6 times, just use only 3 times. 3 times double quote and ends with 3 times double quote. If you want to add single quote or a double quote or slash in between or inside the string, then we have to use backward slash. For example, if you want to add a single quote here, then it won't. If you want to add here, then use backward slash, then single quote. Then single quote will be printed here. You can notice here. If you want to add double quote, same. Just add backward slash before double quote. Same for backward slash. If you want to add backward slash inside the string, use two backward slashes. You can print. Otherwise, you can also add or before the string so that it will be considered as raw string. If you just add or, it will be considered as raw string. If you want to add more number of lines to the same string, then you can use backward slash to extend the string. Use backward slash, hit enter, and continue with your second line. Again backward slash, third line, and double quotes to close the string. Now you can notice the whole string contains the second line and third line too. Same way, you can also use triple quotes instead of slash. For example, let us remove this double quotes and use three times the double quotes. Then also it's the same. Elements of the string. If you want to access which character is in a specific position, then we can use S of 0. Then it is going to show the first character of the string. Remember, index starts with 0. Here, I is there. If you print it, it's going to show us capital I. S of 1, N. So now guess which character is in number 5. Remember, it starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to print forward slash. Index also can be called from backward. For example, if you mention -1, we are going to get D. And how about -5? -1, -2, -3, 4, -5. It's going to get U. U got printed. You can also call from character from 1 to 5. How many characters are there? Those also can be called. Let us see how to call. 0 to 5. 0 colon 5. it's going to print the characters which starts from 0 up to 5. We can also call the strings from the backside. For that, we have to use negative numbers. For example, if we use -1, it's going to print the last character of this string. In the same way, if you want to see the fifth character from last, just mention -5. It's going to print the character. If you want to see last 5 characters, that means the last 5 characters, just type -5 colon. So it's going to print all the characters which starts from -5 to end of the string. To make it easy, let us see one more example. I took a string which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, the index starts with 0. That means S of 0 takes 1. S of 8 takes 9. So here there are total 9 characters in this string. So if you print S of 0, it prints 1. S of 5 takes 6. S of -1, the last character, which is 9. And -5, the fifth character from last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth one is the last one. Now let us see some more examples on slicing. To make it more simpler, we made like this. S of 0 contains 1, 5, S of 5 contains 6, S of -1, which is 9, S of -5 contains 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you remember this. If needed, just pause the video wherever you want to pause. If you print S of 0 to 5 means it starts with 0 up to 5, which means it won't print 6. S of 5 is 6. That means up to these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to print. Let us execute the program. Yes. Let us see one more example. In this example, we're not going to mention anything in the start. If you don't mention anything in the start, it starts from the first position. First position up to S of 5. But don't print S of 5. What is there in S of 5? It is 6. So up to 5 characters it's going to print. Let us see. In this example, we are going to print from -5 up to the last character, but the last character will not be printed. -5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here to the last character, but not the last character. Up to last character. Here you can notice 5, 6, 7, 8. In this example, we are not going to mention anything in the start index. If you don't mention anything in the start index, it starts from 0th position, which is 1. And up to -5 we are going to print. Remember, whatever we mention here, it won't be printed. So what's there in -5? It is 5. It starts from 1 up to 5 it's going to print, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope this is clear to you.